Hi, I'm Michael with the Lavatory, your #1 partner for restroom, shower, and laundry trailer rentals. Here we have the 8-station laundry trailer. This unit is equipped with 8 washers and 8 dryers. It sits 27 feet long and about 12.5 feet wide with the stairs extended. The trailer height is about 12.5 feet with the HVAC system resting on top of the unit. This unit is quite popular for CAL FIRE, U.S. Forest Service, homeless outreach, disaster relief related work, and really any kind of other situation where you need lots of laundry done. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside this trailer. This unit is equipped with 8 stacks of laundry. The washer right here, which is 4.5 cubic square feet, and then the dryer right here, which is 7.5 cubic square feet. This unit also has a folding table, area to store other supplies, a sink to wash hands or wash other clothes inside it, and it also has 2 HVAC units to keep you comfortable while you do your work. In order to utilize this trailer to its full capacity, we do require 2 50 amp, 220 volt, single phase power connections. We utilize the California twist lock model. These power connections allow the washers and the dryers to work to its full capability, as well as the 2 AC units, pumps, and other heating elements. We ask that there is a water source on site that we can connect the trailer to. It can be as simple as a regular water spigot. If a water spigot is not available, we can provide an external freshwater bag that will connect to the trailer to feed the washers so that you can get your washing done. To heat the hot water, as well as to warm the dryers, this unit utilizes propane. If you expect your site to run lots of laundry for over 2 weeks, we recommend setting up a propane service, whether that be through us or a different provider, to make sure that there are no interruptions in your usage. Right here is the waste port connection. It is a 3-inch cam lock connection. This trailer has about a 750-gallon waste tank. If you expect to utilize this trailer at a 24/7 basis, we recommend connecting to an on-site sewer source or getting an external bladder bag. An external bladder bag essentially doubles the size of your waste tank so that you can go through longer intervals without needing pumps. We'll work with your on-site team to figure out what schedule best works for your situation. Thank you for watching the overview of the 8-station laundry trailer. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us anytime. We understand that every site is unique, and we're here to help to come up with solutions. We look forward to working with you.